This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV Hindu.
Hello and welcome to The Big Pick. I'm afraid it's a mostly bad movie fare this week with Main Aur Mrs. Khanna and Peranmay. But just as I was beginning to despair, Joe Wright's Pride and Prejudice came along like a breath of fresh air and lifted my sagging spirits. And I forgot Main Aur Mrs. Khanna and Peranmay like they were a bad dream.
अजीब इत्तेफाक है क्या मुलाकात है
Oh, Mrs. Khanna.
30 agonizing minutes into Main Aur Mrs. Khanna and I was plotting my escape from the theatre. And then I remembered that I'd parked my car in such a manner that there was no way I could take it out. So like Patience on a Monument, but gritting my teeth, I sat out the film. The frightfully boring Main Aur Mrs. Khanna begins with the fairy tale romance and marriage of Sameer Khanna with Raina, who grows up in an orphanage but wears the most expensive and tasteful clothes. They move to Melbourne after their marriage, where they live in this jaw-droppingly huge and beautiful house. Then Sameer Khanna loses his job, so he decides to move to Singapore to try his luck there. At the airport, when Raina goes window shopping, the predictable happens. With that, you know it's the death of debutante director Prem Soni's imagination. It's love at first sight for Akash, who works in a coffee shop at the airport, but Raina doesn't really notice him. Because in a minute, her irrational husband will tell her, without any explanation, that she is not going with him to Singapore, but will instead go back to India. Raina is shattered but has no choice in the matter. And before you can finish your yawn, Sameer Khanna is gone, leaving Raina broken, but not for long. She, being the strong, resolute woman that she is, she decides to stay back in Melbourne.
पूछा तो मुझसे भी नहीं गया था कि मैं क्या करना चाहती हूँ.
Stop it, Raina. हद होती किसी चीज की. तुम्हारे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ, किसके लिए कर रहा हूँ?
समीर, मुझे वापस नहीं जाना था और इसकी वजह तुम समझ सकते हो.
रैना, प्लीज मेरी खातिर दिल्ली चली जाओ. प्लीज जाओ दिल्ली. मैं तुम्हें वापस चला रहा हूँ.
लुक समीर, मेरे यहाँ रुकने का कारण तुम्हें अपने किए पर शर्मिंदा करने का नहीं है, ना ही तुम्हें वापस बुलाने का.
It's really tiresome to relive this film, so I'm going to keep it as short as possible. Raina, by a predictable quirk of fate, finds a job in a watch store at the airport run by the unhealthily corpulent and bejeweled Bapi Lahiri. God save us, because he breaks into some woefully bad singing too a couple of times. Raina and Akash start hanging out, he of course with stars in his eyes, and she only nurturing fondness for him as a friend.
Hello, young man. Would you like to have a dance with me, if your girl doesn't mind?
Yes, of course. He's all yours. लो, मिल गया तुम्हारा जवाब.
चल टर्की बुढ़ी, आजा, let's go.
अच्छे वक्त की खराबी है. अच्छा वक्त खत्म हो जाता है, लेकिन बुरे वक्त की एक अच्छाई है कि वो भी खत्म हो जाता है.
ओए, कहाँ हो मिसेस खन्ना? समीर को फ्लैश फॉरवर्ड में इमेजिन करी थी ना? एक्चुअली आपके बूढ़े होने तक मिस्टर खन्ना वापस आ जाएंगे.
By this time, things are going speedily downhill and you wonder if you should go back in an auto and come back for your car the next morning. But you stay and the story proceeds, or regresses thus. Akash falls deeper and deeper in love with Mrs. Khanna, with her totally oblivious to his attentions, because she's too busy pining for her faraway husband, who miraculously returns because sense has finally dawned on him that being away from Raina is not helping any. So here are two people madly in love, they're husband and wife, they've been apart for a while, yet when Sameer Khanna returns after that long absence, he very chastely kisses his wife on the cheek. So all of it is very unnatural and very, very stilted. And then before long, Akash and his friend and also Raina's friend move into the apartment with the Khannas to prevent them from being together. And then the plot gets even more sillier. Akash and his friend try to get Preeti Zinta in a totally wasted role as a dancer to seduce Sameer. And the film drags on with an unconvincing conflict introduced. Raina does like this fake marriage thing with Akash so that she can get a work permit, and Sameer discovers this.
मेरा इंतजार करते करते तुमने यहाँ पे क्या क्या किया?
क्या बताऊं? टिया ने काफी मदद की, नीना ने मेरा साथ दिया, और आकाश?
और आकाश?
He is an angel.
तुमने मुझे सबके बारे में बताया, लेकिन तुम्हारे इस एंजल आकाश के बारे में, जो कि तुम्हारे लाइफ में इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है आज, उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं बताया मुझे।
ऐसा क्यों कह रहे हो समीर?
जब तुम आकाश के साथ शादी करने के लिए कोर्ट पहुंच गई।
The rest of the film is about whether the Khannas get back together or whether Akash's dream of marrying Raina comes true. Now, the film is supposed to be a comedy of sorts, with Sohail Khan as Akash trying to be cute and funny, but it just doesn't work. Now, I used to be a great fan of Salman Khan some years ago, but you know, over the years one doesn't know what has happened to him because he just mumbles and bumbles along without really making an impression. Kareena Kapoor, of course, looks like $1,000,000, but she is so awful in some scenes that you cringe in embarrassment for her. Particularly this scene when she gets drunk on New Year's Eve.
मिसेस खन्ना, खत्म हो गई?
खत्म हो गई?
हाँ।
हाँ, तो मैं कहाँ थी?
समीर के साथ पिछले न्यू ईयर्स।
तो मैंने समीर से कहा सब चलता है समीर, आज न्यू ईयर ईव है, आज जितना पीना है समीर पी सकते हैं। तो उस रात समीर ने मुझे इतना पिला, इतना पिला, इतना पिला,
बहुत पिला है।
Right.
You still want to watch this film? I hope not. But stay tuned because I'm going to come back and tell you which other film you can gladly miss.